A sky of ashen burning cries, fields where innocence now lies. A mother's tears, they stain the ground. Her child lost, no soul is found. Red rivers flow, where do they go? To seas of sorrow, we'll never know. Swords of hate reap what we sow. Red rivers flow, the drum beats pound, the cannons scream. The shadow of another dream. A flag raised high, a hollow boast. The cost of war, a fading ghost. Who holds the weight of all this pain? Who breaks the cycle, snaps the chain? Red rivers flow, where do they go? To seas of sorrow, we'll never know. Swords of hate reap what we sow. Red rivers flow, what is left but shadows deep, the graves of men who dared to weep. No victor stands.